Hello everybody, my name is Apurva Surekanthore. I am in the 6th standard. The name of my school is Jilla Parishad Primary School Irla, Taluka and District Dharashiv. Today I present spelling bee activity.
Okay.
Okay, AY okay means चालेल किंवा ठीक.
On to.
ONTO on to means वर.
Obey.
OBEY obey means आज्ञा पाळणे.
Play.
PLAY play means खेळणे.
Post.
POST post means कार्यालय किंवा पाठवणे.
Pull.
PULL pull means जोडणे.
Question.
QUESTION question means प्रश्न.
Quest.
QUEST quest means शोध.
Quiet.
QUIET quiet means शांत.
Rest.
REST rest means विश्रांती.
Rate.
RAT rate means दर.
Read.
READ read means वाचणे.
Sit.
SAT sit means आसन.
Stop.
STOP stop means थांबवणे.
Shop.
SHOP shop means दुकान.
Tell.
TAIL tell means शेपटी.
Told.
TOLD told means सांगितले.
Turn.
TURN turn means वळणे.
Earn.
URN earn means घडा.
User.
USER user means वापरकर्ता. Thank you.